Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Dewan. So you're trying to log into your device. You pull up Putty and you can't remember your passwords for the life of you. This has happened to me numerous times throughout my career. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. I got a Cisco 2950 switch here. The first thing we need to do is get to the back of the device. Make sure it's unplugged. Now take the power cord and put it about halfway in and go to the front of the device. There's a mode button. We're going to take that mode button and hold it while we plug in the device. In this whole process, we're going to hold that button for about 10 seconds while the device boots up. Now, I need to mention this process requires a console connection. So we're consoled into our device, we pull up Putty, and you'll be in ROM or ROM Monitor, which is basically a bootstrap program that initializes the hardware and boosts the Cisco iOS software when you power on or reload the device. So if you have issues with your software or you need to reset your password, ROM is where you need to be. Now the first command we're going to run is flash_init, and what this does is it initializes the flash in ROM. The next command we're going to run is load_helper, and what this does is it loads any boot helper images that you may have on your device. Now what we have to do is dir our flash. Specifically what we're looking for here is our startup config, which is going to be a config.txt file. Now that we found it, we need to rename /flash config.txt to /flash config.o. Then press enter, then type boot, then enter one more time and your device will reload. Okay, so what we just did was renamed our startup config. So now when your device boots up, it will want you to enter into the initial configuration. We're going to tell it no. So now we'll have to go into enable mode and then rename our config.o file back to config.txt. The next thing we need to do is copy our startup config, which is the config.txt file, to our running configurations, so we can have our startup config loaded on our device. Notice the host name changed. Now we need to go into the global configuration and change that enable secret to something that's secure that we can remember. Now that we have that done, let's go back to privileged exec mode and do a copy run start to save that running config to the starter config. So when you reload this device, hopefully this does not happen again. But if it does, feel free to watch this video and share it with your friends. I thank you all for viewing. If you have comments, please leave them in the section below. Hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for your support. My name is Dewan and I'm out. Peace.